children with autism are not doing well in. Using the print in a meaningful manner, they might know that's a letter A and that's a letter B and that's a letter C, but they don't have the sound to letter correspondence. Using print to answer questions, writing their names. Lastly, they struggle with the comprehension of print. They might be able to memorize the word, but they're not able to know the meaning just yet. So what are we doing here as speech language pathologists? Our role is to make that knowledge applicable and meaningful in expressing themselves and comprehending the world around them. You're the bridge that makes these letters meaningful. So let's go into the 5 strategies that are not only going to help the children with autism on your caseload, but every child is going to benefit from these literacy strategies. What's really exciting is that now we have research to show that these emergent literacy strategies that are tried and true are also beneficial for children with autism. So let's dig right into them.